Beach Day! Good mythical morning.
You can't say
I'm
that.
kidding, just kidding guys, just kidding. Okay, so we did watch that this morning though, so that's why that was the first thing that came to my mind. Happy Saturday guys. Hope you guys are doing awesome on your 4th of July, all you Americans.
Woot.
Celebrating with friends and family, whatever it is you're celebrating.
Independence.
Independence. But anyways, we went to the market this morning as we always do on Saturdays. You may have noticed we didn't film on Friday because last night I started to get a migraine and that is never fun. Lou also wasn't feeling too well. So basically our Friday night consisted of Excedrin migraine and Orange is the New Black.
I thought this was funny. It's
what?
like anniversary setup. I love you, my man, and then it's a migraine.
And then you give me headaches.
I just thought that made me chuckle.
Lou is making some hummus.
We need a food processor, guys.
We do need a food processor because we're gonna try and use this thing and it's not gonna go well, I can tell you right now. We might be meeting up with some friends this afternoon, watch some live music, and tomorrow is a beach day. So that's gonna be awesome. We haven't been to the beach in like 2 years.
2 years.
That's unacceptable.
Actually, I
mean, other than, did we go to the beach outside of Canada though? In the last 2 years? In Florida? We didn't even go to a beach at Playlist.
Well, no.
It's not really close, I guess, but
No.
but we are gonna beach it up in VidCon, guys.
Oh man.
Speaking of which, I don't know how it's related, but it made me think of it. You guys keep entering that giveaway, man. You guys are doing awesome. So many entries. We're super excited. Don't forget to mark July 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in your calendars to come hang out at the live chat where we're going to announce the winner and reveal the prize. Woo! Exciting stuff.
Crazy.
Exciting stuff. The moment of truth, where we take a bonito and we try the hummus.
Is it okay?
Not too bad.
Does it need something?
Yeah, it does need something.
What?
Let me think. Again with some lemon and salt.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good. Yay!
That was lame.
Because it's America Day, we're gonna go get an Americano, aren't we?
Americano, you bet your sweet baby.
For all you Americans out there. Americanos.
Americanos today.
Americano. Crazy Canuck. We should probably get a beaver tail, because that's extremely
Did you mention
Canadian.
that there's a food truck festival going on?
This is a food truck festival, guys. No, I didn't mention that.
Yeah, segue. Food truck fest.
So...
Don't say that too many times fast.
Oh.
Yes, it turned it in.
To this fence. We're gonna try that tomorrow at the beach. Is it Star Wars?
Not now.
Oh. I can't tell what it is now.
Oh, Flintstones.
Flintstones? No, now it's Game of Thrones. He's just all over the place. He's like a DJ.
He's doing the TV medley.
So guys, if you come to hang out with Ralph and Lou for the night, it's like a 12-year-old's birthday party. We have a personal pizza station here. So we're all gonna make our own personal size pizza, and these are all the toppings. And then over here, we have Scott and Amber playing Guess Who? Don't tell me.
Question.
That's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. Oh, good
Does
times.
your guy have a mustache?
Does your guy have a mustache? When was the last time you played Guess Who?
Like yesterday?
Yeah. So anyway, fun times on Saturday night. And their pizzas.
Yeah, it's true.
This is better than anything I've ever eaten today.
Oh, come on.
The curry
now.
was good, but this is gonna be really good.
We have 4. Shh, don't tell.
I'm gonna try it.
Just do it, man. Take a risk. Most intense game ever. Is he just gonna risk it all and just ask, what will he do? Which one do you think? Are yours Carmen and Bernard?
Negative.
Ah, shoot.
Ready?
Okay, go.
Do you have Frank and Philippe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
So what is
You
these
suck,
two?
Frank. Beach day!
Scott's in. How you feeling about this, Ralphie?
YOLO?
Yeah! Woo! Tiff.
Hey, just jump in.
You just gotta do it.
I'll
It
push
hurts.
you. I don't know if I should be bringing this camera out here, but...
It's so cold. No, don't.
Hey guys, so we are at the beach, obviously. We have been here for a couple hours now. Lou and I thought we would take a little walk through this town here, see what we can see.
Enjoy some shade.
There's a lot of people here, guys. It's insane. We've already run into some people we know, and I'm sure we'll run into more.
Smoothie time.
Great, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.
You too.
It's refreshing on this hot day. Look at this beach, man. It's packed.
beach.
What a beach.
What a great beach. It's a sunny beach.
Sunny beach. It's fantastic. And I love this boardwalk. It's so nice.
What a great day for a beach.
Right? And there's parasailing too. That would be fun. It's just like getting
We're just
going
really
over
excited,
there.
guys, because we haven't been here in like a few years, so
Yeah. We're very happy right now.
thrilled.
Oh hey, look at that boutte. Ralph invested in some new swimming shorts
For VidCon, yo.
for VidCon, but
today.
also for swimming in general. He's had the same pair of shorts since you're like 17.
I was 4 years old.
Ooh, I like that technique.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Oh, oh. Point for us.
Jeez. That hurt.
Oh, Travis.
Now it's time for so long.
Goodbye,
But we'll
beach.
sing just one more song. Later, beach.
Thank you.
Later, beach.
Home
I'm falling.
sweet bacon.
No, I'm gonna lay down.
Oh.
Join me.
Okay.
Together we shall
Conquer the
sleep.
universe. Oh, I have sandy feet
Oh,
still.
the tire just hit me. It was like, psh, you're tired.
You were just outside all day. You're just so tired.
But what a perfect day for the
What a
beach.
perfect
What a
day.
perfect day for the beach. Guys, we are gonna end the vlog here.
And guys, one more day for the giveaway, right? One more chance?
One more day for you guys to enter in the giveaway. So don't forget to check that out. The link will be in the description. Go over there, enter, and you can win a giveaway. And then join us in the chat, which will be tomorrow night when you watch this video.
Tuesday.
July 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we will announce the winner and we'll hang out. So
It'll be
Man,
fun,
it'll be
guys.
great.
So thanks for watching this weekend.
hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hope you guys also had an awesome weekend. And maybe you went to the beach too. Let us know in the description. I mean,
In the description.
in the comments. The
In the
sun has got to my head. Alright guys, good night. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Hey, Chico. We just be chillin'.